Hi everyone. What you're going to do today builds on what you did yesterday and also on what you did Monday. So let me start by just going back to Monday. So on Monday, you found three sources, three websites that you could use to support your claim, okay, for your argument essay. And you filled in information on each of your three sources. Yesterday, go to yesterday's, you typed in your claim again, and this time using those sources you came up with, you found three broad facts, three reasons that could each be a paragraph in itself with evidence to support your claim. So today what you're going to do is you're going to take reason number one right here. Okay, mine is social media is beneficial because it can spread important information quickly, supporting my claim. You're going to take reason one. You'll also need your claim. And you're going to be coming up with evidence for just that one reason, okay? You're actually building your first body paragraph, okay? So let me just go down here. This is your work today. Type in your claim again and reason one from yesterday. Go right back to yesterday's and copy and paste your reason one. And then you're going to go to your website choices and you're going to find three pieces of evidence. Now they might be quotes from experts. They could be a statistic to support what you are saying up here in your reason. They could be just a summary of facts. Okay. In-text citation, you'll put that as well, parentheses, author's last name of the website and the year. And all three might come from the same website. Okay, all three pieces of evidence might come from the same website, or they might come from, any of your three. Maybe you're using all three for here. Okay, so let's just look at an example. Up here, my example, my claim was social media is beneficial for people. My reason one, again, is social media is beneficial because it can spread important information quickly. So I went on my website, and actually I use just Procon editors. Here's my citation. See how it's the same for all three. But I did find three different pieces of evidence. So evidence A is a quote from an expert. Research shows that social media is the top source of information for 46% of Americans. It's also a statistic, okay? And my evidence B, also social media is used as a news source more than a newspaper. And breaking news reaches social media before other types of news sources. So these facts, all three of these examples support that social media is beneficial because it can spread important information quickly. Okay, so notice I also included the in-text citation. So that's what you're going to do. Get your claim in here, reason one from yesterday's work, and go on your sources and find three pieces of evidence. I would like to see one quote at least. You don't have to have all three be quotes, but make sure whichever one is the quote has quotation marks around it. Okay? All right, good luck, and I can't wait to see what you come up with for your evidence. Thank you.